little bit nervous, just a tad. Hey guys, welcome back to my bathroom. I'm going to be doing a spooky hair video in celebration for Halloween. If the lighting in here is like extra bright, it's because I'm trying out a new lighting thing because in my past videos my lighting has been really crappy. I don't know if this is going to be too much or what, but my highlight is popping, so I'm not too mad. So today, what I'm going to be doing is kind of like a Frankenstein monster head kind of thing with multiple colors because I can't just do one color on my head. So what I've got as supplies today, I've got first, this is just blue painter's tape. Q-tips, as always, are going to be great for little details. So I've got my Q-tips, I've got a color brush, and I've got my color, which I'm going to be using mainly Arctic Fox colors. I'll put in a little thing here so that you can see what colors that I'm using today. And also they'll be down in the description as always. I'm starting off with a bleached head, bleached eyebrows, and the remnants of red that will never remove out of my hair. If you've ever dyed your hair red, you know the struggles of removing it. It stays forever. I always mention this, but if you see me looking off to the side, it's because I have a mirror over here and I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Also, I film with my iPad, so I will be looking at the screen and not at you guys, so sorry. So what I'm gonna first do is take some strips of the blue painter's tape and just kind of like section off some areas. This is not gonna be long enough. I need some long strips of blue painter's tape. That's a good section. Oh, and that wraps around. That's pretty good-ish. I don't know. This is a really big experiment, guys. I've never done anything like this before. So basically what I'm trying to do is like create these weird triangular shapes on my head. The spaces where the tape is going to be where stitches are. Yeah. So then the other pieces are where the color is on my head. Maybe one like right here. The baby one. Boop. Like right there. Probably only need like that much tape, right? Right, guys? Can you confirm for me, please? That would be so helpful. So now let's move on to color. Now that I've got my tape down. So I'm doing Halloween colors, which also happen to be my favorite colors. Purple, green, yellow, and orange with black for the stitches. I'm going to be taking the big brush here for the bigger sections and then going in with the Q-tip to do the smaller sections and stuff. And then we're gonna peel off the tape and see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I'm nervous as heck. So it's time to pull off the tape now and see what this looks like. I don't know what I'm doing with this tape. It's got color all over it and I'm just like, wait, where do I put this now that I've got it in my hand? That definitely looks like neato as heck. What I'm gonna do is actually go in and fill it in together, because I mean I can't make stitches that look that freaking thick. So we're gonna just go in and bring the colors up a little bit and then figure it out. I love how all the other colors took over and the purple is just like in a few spots. But you know what? I like the way that it looks and it's gonna look even cooler with the stitches, so I'm gonna let this sit. I actually have to get ready for work, so I'm gonna beat my face real quick and I'll be back to wash this out, do the stitches, wash that out. Hopefully don't wash off my makeup in the process. Hey guys, it's day 2. The lighting has changed a little bit. I tried to fix it a little bit so it's not all just blaring from one side. I have the light up here right now. It's coming from this direction. It's the only place that I can put this thing, like I said before, but I tried it a little bit differently. Now it's kind of just coming down like, oh, I'm an angel, because I am, alright? Yeah. I didn't have enough time to finish my hair before having to go to work, which is no big deal, because I mean, Halloween still hasn't happened. Halloween is on Wednesday. It is Sunday right now. It's still not Halloween, so I still got some time to throw in my Halloween-y shit. We have one last step to do, and that is the stitches. I also, I did my makeup today because I was like, you know what, I gotta look cute in the last bit of this video, and we're gonna get all stitched up. I'll be putting in the description what kind of color I'm using today. I've got it in my little handy dandy color bowl right here. While I'm mixing this, I'll just let you know what I'm gonna be doing. The stitches are gonna be real easy. I'm just gonna follow along the lines of the sections with the black color on a Q-tip. Oh, you know what? I might paintbrush it, cause precision? If I'm gonna have this on my head for a while, I'm gonna do it to the best of my ability. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. If you saw my last hair video, I did cheetah print. Before I put down that cheetah print, oh my god, I was like, so scared. Because once you put black on top of the color, like, that's committing. Because right now my hair doesn't look bad, I can just leave it like this, it's fine. But once I put the black down, if I fuck up, man, oh my god. I'm a little bit nervous, just a tad. So this section comes like a little bit right there. And I gotta like fully saturate it. You can't see the color, this is gonna be so hard. So I think I'm just gonna start off by doing the lines, and that's it. Oh my god, I think I made that line way too thick right there. Oh, I don't know, oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna stop touching them. Anyways, I'm gonna just outline the sections, and then I'll come back and I'll do the little stitch marks. back and I touched up some of the stitch parts, and I also did like a few crosses, like made it, you know what I mean, like it goes across to the other stitch, okay? That's what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, I added a little bit of those details around. I feel like the ones in the front are a little bit smaller and then they get bigger in the back, but hey, you know, again, I'm doing this myself with a handheld mirror, and things are gonna get a little bit weird when it comes to doing the back of my head. So, honestly, I'm loving it. If I can just be 100% honest, like, oh, I'm so excited to just like, my lip ring caught on my tooth there for a second. That scared me. Okay. Anyways, I'm really excited to like wash this out and see what it looks like. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I'll wash it out and I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, change of scenery. I wanted to sit in my bed for this because it's been a long day. Anyways, my hair came out so good and I'm going to be showing you guys here. So let's just give you the full 360. I love it. Okay, like if you don't know me, I have like a little stitch tattoo, and that was inspired by Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, because I just love how she's all stitched up, and this just, like, I love it, okay? Like, I feel so Halloween-y and cute, alright? Like, it was already cool with all the colors and stuff, so if you're not, like, really into the stitches or whatever, and you want to do, like, the shapes on your head, it's really, really easy to do just with the masking tape. So you could just leave it at that, and then boom, you have some pretty cool, interesting hair. Or you can put on the stitches, and it's fucking awesome. Or, one thing I didn't mention too, before I did the stitches, was that it looked really cool just with the lines around the sections. It looked like stained glass. I'm really stuffed up, so if my voice sounds different, like I can hear myself, I sound a little bit stuffed up right now. That always happens whenever I come out of a shower, like I'm stuffed up as heck. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely leave a like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting out new videos more frequently. If you want to be a doll and get something really cool, you can go check out my Depop where I'm selling clothes, jewelry, shoes, but I got a lot of stuff, and I got different sizes of things too, so it's not just like I'm an extra small, so I only have extra small clothing on there. I've got things that range from extra small to like a 2X on there, so I would go check it out. I am the Bad Babe on there, and I also have some dread extensions and bows up on my Etsy. I love you guys so much, and thank you to all my new subscribers. It's been a crazy influx of freaking subscribers lately, and I really, really do appreciate it. I will be doing a much requested tattoo Q&A video soon, so y'all, thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon, and have fun. Do something crazy to your head. If one of my videos inspired you to do some wicked cool hair, please tag me on Instagram. I don't know, link me to whatever, like, I want to see it. Alright, I'm tired, I'm rambling, and I will see you guys later. Bye!